Shopify just shipped something that changes how developers build and manage stores. The Shopify AI Toolkit lets you manage your entire store using the coding agents you already know and love. Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, Gemini CLI, and VS Code all supported right out of the box. This is not a toy integration. This is a first-class developer tool from Shopify that connects your AI agents directly to the Shopify platform. In this video, we'll break down what it is, how to install it, and walk through a real demo of it in action. So, what exactly is the Shopify AI Toolkit? In short, it connects your AI coding tools to the Shopify platform. With the toolkit, you can build apps using Shopify's documentation, API schemas, and code validation. You can also manage your Shopify store through the CLI's store execute capabilities. The key insight here is that the toolkit ensures your agent works with Shopify correctly, rather than guessing at how things are implemented. That means fewer broken API calls, fewer schema mismatches, and a much smoother development experience. There are 3 ways to install it. The recommended path is the plugin, which installs everything in one command and updates automatically as new capabilities are released. You can also install individual agent skills manually if you prefer to pick specific capabilities. Or you can connect through the dev MCP server, which runs locally and doesn't require any authentication. Let's walk through the installation for each supported tool. For Claude Code, you enable the Shopify marketplace with one command, then install the plugin. It takes about 10 seconds. For Cursor, you install the plugin through their extension system. Gemini CLI gets its own setup flow, and VS Code works through the standard extension marketplace. If you prefer the manual route, you can install all agent skills at once with a single npx command, or cherry-pick individual skills like just the GraphQL admin API skill. The MCP server path is equally simple. You tell your agent to add the MCP server, restart the tool, and you're connected to Shopify's developer resources. No authentication, no API keys, no friction. Just connect and start building. Now, let's see it in action. Here's a real demo of Claude Code managing a Shopify store. The user types a simple natural language command, optimize all my products for SEO. Claude Code breaks this down into concrete tasks. Generate SEO data for all 32 products. Apply SEO titles and descriptions via product update. Update image alt text via file update. And verify all the updates. For tasks, all tracked, all automated. Watch as Claude works through each one, making real API calls to the Shopify admin API. This isn't mock-up footage. This is a live coding agent manipulating real stored data through natural language. Once the SEO optimization is complete, the user follows up with another command. Apply a 15% discount to all of these products. The agent handles it immediately, creating the discount through Shopify's API. That's the power of the AI Toolkit. You describe what you want, and your agent executes it against your real store. What makes this significant is that Shopify is treating AI agents as first-class citizens in their developer ecosystem. This isn't a chatbot bolted onto the admin panel. This is deep integration with the tools professional developers actually use every day. The toolkit supports 5 major coding agents at launch. Claude Code from Anthropic, Codex from OpenAI, Cursor, Gemini CLI from Google, and Visual Studio Code. Each one gets a tailored installation experience. This also connects to Shopify's broader agentic commerce push through the Universal Commerce Protocol. While the AI Toolkit is focused on developer and merchant tooling, the UCP side handles consumer-facing agent experiences like product discovery, checkout, and order tracking. Together, they signal that Shopify sees agents as the future of both building and buying. Let's talk about what this means for developers. If you're building Shopify apps, the AI Toolkit fundamentally changes your workflow. Instead of context switching between documentation, API references, and your editor, your agent handles the research and implementation in one flow. The plugin approach means you always have the latest capabilities without manual updates. The skills approach gives you granular control over what your agent can access. And the MCP server provides a lightweight connection for agents that support the protocol. For merchants who also code, this is a game changer. Bulk operations that used to require writing scripts or using third-party apps can now be done through a simple conversation with your agent. SEO optimization, discount management, product updates, inventory adjustments. All through natural language, all executed through the Shopify API. The Shopify AI Toolkit is available now at shopify.dev/docs/apps/build/AI Toolkit. It supports Claude Code, Codex, Cursor, Gemini CLI, and Visual Studio Code. If you found this breakdown useful, drop a like and subscribe for more developer tool deep dives. Links to the documentation and everything we covered are in the description below. Thanks for watching.